Right guys, this is happening. Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello everyone, I'm Zara. If you're not new and you're returning, hey everyone, hope you're all keeping well, safe, all those lovely things. Now, guess what's happening again? I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and Zara's bored. She's got something to do. I'm going to dye my hair just for you. So I'm going to dye my hair, guys. I'm going to use the pureplex rich golden brown and I'm going to give it a try. I want to get rid of this now. I've had enough of it. It looks dull, dingy. It's not really a colour. I could go and see my hairdresser and get all this put back to a nicer blonde, but I think it's time that I go back darker. How long I'll last, I don't know, but if you can see, guys, look, I am covered in greys now. I don't know how well you can pick them up on the camera, but in certain positions, I've got like a grey strip. So that's got to go. So we're going to try this. I did do my patch test last night. I still got a bit behind my ear. I haven't reacted in any way or anything. Ready for a change. Ready for a change. I have read reviews, so I am prepared. This is meant to be a lot darker than what's on the box. Now potentially I could be black. I'm hoping not, because I haven't fake tanned and I will look extremely pale, but we'll make it work. So look, take one last look at this hair and it's going. Your bog standard dye really, guys, but it's got a repair system in there, so it's supposed to be better for your hair. It does also come with an extra stage one, which is a bond reconstructing treatment, and you're supposed to put this on after you've rinsed out the dye before you put the conditioner on, and it's supposed to help repair your hair like an pureplex, I suppose. The dye is mixed up, guys. I'm going to put it on, so there's no going back. Now, I'm going to work it through the roots first and then massage it down to the rest of the hair. Leave it for 45 minutes. Then you put on the reconstructing bond treatment, which is supposed to put the amino acids back in your hair, which you've lost through dyeing. This goes on for 15 minutes, and then you wash that off, and then you just condition your hair. So, wish me luck! I'm going to do my central parting because this is the way I've been wearing my hair the most lately, so I want to try and cover up as much of those greys as I can. I'm not going to show you me dyeing my whole hair, guys, just because that would be quite boring, and then I will come back and show you the finishing result. It's getting darker! It's not a very smelly dye, guys. It's quite mild. You know, some can be quite harsh, can't they? This is really quite mild. The smell isn't bad at all, which is quite nice, because sometimes when you dye your hair at home, you like can't breathe, can you, for the fumes in the room with you. But this isn't like that at all. But this is going to be nice because I haven't been dark for a long time. When I go dark, I get really bored, and not just that, I feel like my skin is so pale that it just makes me look ill. But I don't know, I'm in the mood now for just one colour all over, instead of like the ombres and balayages that I normally have. Probably still going to end up with some sort of ombre, I would imagine, due to just the different colours that are in my hair, but I'm hoping they'll just look like nice tones instead. Right, I'm going to go now. I'm going to give this 45 minutes and I'll be back. Right guys, it is very dark, as you can see. I think I'm going to be almost black. I'm going to wash it off, put the reconstructing treatment on for 15 minutes, and then I'll be back. And I'm back. This is the finishing result, guys. I am absolutely thrilled with it. The colour isn't too dark at all. It is a beautiful, warm, rich brown colour. It's exactly as it describes on the box. I absolutely love it. So nice to see my hair one colour, and it looks so shiny and healthy. Like, look at this. Like, wow, I love it. Only thing with it is, so it's one of the best hair dyes that I've used in regards to like my hair feels, well, better than before I dyed it. Let me put you somewhere so I can speak to you. The only thing was, it's one of the best hair dyes that I've used in regards to like my hair feels so much better than it did before I actually dyed it. So it doesn't feel like it's damaged my hair at all. The only thing I would say is it didn't cover my greys very well. Like, don't get me wrong, they are covered compared to what they were. Like, so there's definitely some colour on them, but you can still see some greys in some light. Now, I don't think that was due to me not in them all with dye. I think it was generally because it says on the box that you were meant to leave it on for 50 minutes if you had grey hairs. Now, I was a bit scared because I had read reviews and it said that the colour was substantially darker than what was shown on the box. So I only left it on for 30 minutes. So that was probably my fault, guys. But I am going to stick to this colour. I'm going to buy another box, the same colour. And I'm just going to do my roots to try and get all of my greys. But let me turn around and I'll try and show you. You can see this well. You need to see it like in the light, I think. Let me get sunlight on it. But it is beautiful. So the hair dye that I used, guys, was Pureplex hair dye. It was shade 5036, which is rich medium brown, and I absolutely love it. I would suggest anybody give it a try. They've got quite a few shades. They go darker, much lighter. They've even got like a pinky, rosy, gold, blondie kind of colour, which I'm sure will be stunning. But I'm so glad my hair is all one colour, and yeah, I really like it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, press the red button even better, and the notification bell. And I will see you again soon with another video. Bye, guys.